I am Dr. Swarshila, Scientific Director with Ziva Fertility Centers. What is an ANA test? Anti-nuclear antibodies is what ANA stands for, and it's a blood test that checks for antibodies that target the cell nucleus, and its relevance in infertility system is very important because it is based on the fact that these antibodies, if present, can be associated with autoimmune conditions that can impact reproductive health, and it can cause certain conditions like recurrent pregnancy loss, endometriosis and infertility. Let's take a detailed look at ANA. What it checks for is that it looks for anti-nuclear antibodies in your blood. What are these? They are a type of antibody called as autoantibodies, which mean that they are produced by the immune system itself, but mistakenly they attack the healthy cells and also the tissues instead of pathogens like virus and bacteria. How is the test done? The test is very simple. It requires a blood sample taken from a vein in your arm. It's very important because it's used to help diagnose and determine the type of autoimmune disorders which are affecting you. It is very important in fertility as well. In infertility as well, autoimmune conditions are related to infertilities because certain autoimmune conditions which can be associated with the ANA positivity can negatively impact fertility and reproductive outcomes. Let's take a look at some examples. These include systemic lupus erythematosus and rheumatoid arthritis. They have an impact on reproductive health because ANA has been positively linked to recurrent spontaneous abortions, which are called as miscarriages, endometriosis, infertility, IVF failures, ovarian dysfunction, impaired egg and embryo development also is related to ANA positivity. Because some studies have suggested that ANAs can negatively affect oocyte quality and embryo development. Reduced pregnancy rates are also reported because ANA positive women may have lower implantation rates and pregnancy rates. There is a need for specialist consultation because if you test positive for ANA and are concerned about its impact on conception, it's very important to consult with an obstetrician or fertility specialist, especially those specializing in fertility, because they can then treat this disorder and help you achieve a healthy pregnancy and outcome. If you wish to know more about this, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.